Hey everyone, back here at Troy at Ray 5 Farms. I'm going to do a little video of our watermelon garden. We planted 7 flats of Crimson Sweets this morning trying to beat the rain. So I'm going to flip it around here and kind of walk through this back garden and let you see what we've got. All right, so we've got watermelons here on the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. And some of these on these first 2 rows were direct seeded. The other 4 rows over here we just planted this morning. You can see them up through there, you know, just right now starting to put 4 or 5 leaves on per plant, looking good. And from the watermelons over here, we've got 3 rows of butternut squash run up this way, all the way back to here. So they're 240-foot rows, I do believe, if I remember right. The front garden's 300. I think these are around 250, 240. So we've got 3 runs of the butternut squash up through there. You can see them. We planted them, I think, 4 or 5 days ago. So they're round, you know, greening up. We fertilize in each row as we make our rows. So what we'll do is, you know, the whole thing will be tilled up. And instead of broadcasting fertilizer across the entire garden, you know, I know where my plastic mulch layer is going to run, so I will broadcast just down each row. That way I fertilize exactly where I need to go with my fertilizer. And, you know, you don't waste it, and then you don't fertilize the grass and the weeds growing in between them. And then we'll start here on these rows with the buttercup squash, the kabocha. They're looking good, really coming on. Like this row here's gotten really big. You can see, I mean, they're putting on buds now. So they're looking really nice. And then this last row here, this way, is the blue hubbards. You know, the big 10, 15, 20 pound blue hubbards, spaced at 4 foot or so apart, 8 foot between the rows, because these things will grow 20-foot vines, have leaves on them 20, 22 inches in diameter across them. So, you know, very, very large plant, very large vegetable. So that's a look at what we've got going across the entire garden. This is just the back garden. I haven't done one in the pepper garden yet, but this is just the vining crops back here, which is buttercup, butternut, blue hubbard, and watermelons. So just a little quick 2-minute video and let you see what we've got going, and y'all stay tuned.